because the standard deviation will be 0. Now I am showing you please you tell me whether it is visible or not.
Not yet, sir.
Okay.
Oh, now, sir. Now, okay.
Now it is clear, na? Achha.
Yes, sir.
So this is the essay. Essay means self-awakening. EC. EC means emotional control. SIS. Systematic. NS. Non-self-insulting. FL. What is FL? Farah, can you tell me what is FL?
Yes, sir. Which one, sir?
FL.
FL. So let me just
fearlessness.
just let me check, sir.
Huh? Which one? Fearless.
Fearlessness. Yes.
So it is, I guess.
Fearless, na?
Yes, sir. Fearless. So let me just check once. FL is, sir. Yes, sir. Fearlessness.
CL means cleanliness.
Yes, sir. CL is cleanliness.
WF, work family.
Yes, sir. Work family conflict.
Next is NP. NP means
Nishkam principle.
Nishkam. CH, challenge.
Challenging, sir. Challenging.
Challenging. SU,
Self-understanding.
TP, doubtless.
Yes.
Fear of failure.
So free from fear of failure.
Okay, free from.
Yes.
R means RE হচ্ছে resolute.
Yes, sir.
AC is active.
Yes.
Okay, done.
So all the values done?
Yeah, I have done.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. Dear student, I'm just asking few questions to you. Why I have written this label, Sheikh's education, self-awakening and other things? Can anybody tell me?
Sir, is it that so that we can know the variable name when it is displayed in the output?
Yeah, very good. Because this is SA1. So I cannot understand what is the SA1. So if I find out anything related to the SA, that will be the self-awakening. Very good answer. Acha, here I have written the values. 1 equal to male, 2 equal to female. And this is the missing. Missing is 9. What is the meaning of missing? Hello. What is the purpose of missing? Why I have written 9? Can anybody tell?
So if there are no values recorded in the data, then we add the missing values.
Yeah, then we can consider it as the missing values. Very
Yes.
good. Now, Anthony asked me one question, that is, any sort of data analysis, what is the prelude? There is some sound is coming out. I do not know from where sounds are hinted. Okay. Now, Anthony asked me this question, what is the prelude of data analysis? I have told that is the first one is the data quality. You have to understand the data quality. So what is the meaning of data quality? Can anybody tell me? What is the meaning of data quality?
So the data is originally collected or forged one, or it is originally filled by the participants.
Yeah, that is true. But what is
Sir,
yes.
it is actually I think I'm not sure, but it is the accuracy or the consistency of the data. I mean, the completeness of the data which we entered or imported from the uh, Excel sheet into the software. That the data is error free, basically, properly formatted and suitable for the analysis.
Okay, that
That
is
is the
one
data
part.
accuracy.
That is one part. Any other part? Yes, Dakshi, can you tell what is the meaning of data quality?
So I think it's the same whether the data is reliable or whether it's filled correctly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any other student, any other observation?
So data should be complete and it has all the requirements.
Requirement of what? That is true. The requirement.
So the requirement of fulfillment of the analysis, whatever we need, the data should be error-free, properly formatted. So it is suitable for the analysis.
Okay.
Like there should
That is-
not be any spaces
Yeah.
or any
That means
anything.
when we want to do data analysis, we are using some statistics. Okay. And each statistical tool requires specific assumption about the data. So when our data can match the assumption of the specific statistical tool, then you can tell that is okay, the data quality is good. Is it clear or any question? For example, you want to use correlation statistics. So what are the assumptions of correlation? What are the assumptions of correlation? Can anybody tell?
So it is always true.
Is always true. What is that? Always true means
So whatever we are guessing is like always like true. The whatever the assumption is.
no. Any other?
Positively significant.
Sir, I think the requirement that the relationship between the variable is linear or that the variables are approximately normally distributed. Is it like that?
Yes, correct. So it should maintain the linearity, that is the homoscedasticity. Another thing, that is the data should follow the normality assumption. Okay.
Can you repeat it, sir?
The data should follow normality assumption. Another thing, that is the data should have the linearity. Linear relationship will be there. If linearity is there, then the homoscedasticity that will be high. Okay,
So
right.
can you please explain what is this homoscedasticity is?
Yeah, homoscedasticity, that means two axes are there, x-axis and y-axis. And you find that is the systematically variation. Okay, in the x-axis to the y-axis. Systematically variation. If homoscedasticity is not there, then there is a high chance for the zero correlation. Now, do you have any idea about the normal curve or normality assumption, etc.? Right? Please you tell me, what do you mean by the normality assumption?
I don't know, sir, but from my understanding that the collected data should be normally distributed, like it should represent the bell curve.
Okay. So what is the ideal condition? Ideal condition of the normal probability curve. Can anybody tell what is the ideal condition of the normal probability curve? In ideal condition, normal probability curve, the central tendency will be
all mean, median, and mode will coincide on the same line.
correct. So that means central tendency will be 0. Okay.
What is that, sir?
Central tendency, that is the mean, median, mode. Everything will be 0. And it should follow the bell shape. Okay. So please you study the normal probability curve. And the data should follow infinite limit. If it is finite, that means it will be your sample statistics. But in ideal condition, it will be infinite. Since it is infinite, we find that there is a gap at the extreme side of the curve. Okay. What is the percentage of population for the plus minus 1 J plus minus
68.2%, sir.
wow, very good. So these things are very, very important if you want to use the any parametric statistics. Correlation is the parametric statistics.
Sir, what is that, sir? 68.2%?
That is plus minus 1 SP. That is the, please you follow the normal probability curve. If you have any book on statistics, you will find definitely normal probability distribution. Normal probability curve we will find. And there you can find out. Okay. Now, the most important part for data quality is the central tendency and variability. Central tendency means mean, median, mode. These are the three statistical tools. Can anybody tell me what is the difference between mean and median?
Sir, mean is the average of the given data. Median is the data arranged in descending or ascending order, given the middle value of the data arranged.
Yeah, median is the middle data, correct. Very good. So when we can use the mean and when we can use the median? Which type of measurement scale suggests that use of median is important, not the mean? You have told now, Shreyoshi, same thing. There are 4 types of measurement scales, okay? And median we can use for the ordinal scale. Clear? If it is
Yes, sir.
ordinal scale, we can use the median.
Sir, I have one question regarding that. So if we use scale like Likert scale, so we should use the median.
Yeah, in case of the Likert scale, if you want to deal with the single item, then you can use the both mean and the median. There is no harm because Likert scale is considered as the quasi-interval scale.
Okay, thank you, sir.
And if you find that is your median and mean, that is wide difference, that means there is high variability. That means there is a chance for data skewness. So mean, median, mode, where we can use the mode. Can anybody tell me? Mode represents what?
Frequent occurring of any data value in a data set.
Correct. Frequent occurring of data value. Yes.
Sir, I have a question over here. Can you please show us an example of using median in the ordinal scale in the data set?
For example, you have the 14 values, okay, and you have collected That is, which value is most important to you based upon the rank. Okay? And there will be no paired rank. Then what will be the median?
Sir,
So,
actually, I'm asking for here in the Likert scale. I mean, in the data set which we are presenting right now. Can
yeah.
you show it in the ordinal
Oh,
scale,
acha,
because
acha. Sure,
measure
sure,
is
sure.
all there in nominal scale, so it would be better for me to understand once.
Okay, okay.
Thank you, sir.
Now I understand what you are. Is it visible now? Data? Now I am going to analyze. Okay. I have selected only the descriptive statistics. I am selecting descriptives. So I am taking only this one. This is the variable. And this is the options. Okay. Sorry, this is not working.
Sir, do we have to change the measure first into ordinal, then we have to do the data set, I mean the
No, no, no,
analyze part?
no. It
Okay.
is simple frequencies. You can go to the frequency. You click the self-awakening, select it, and then statistics. Here you can find out the mean, median, mode, all those things. Even the standard deviation, okay, skewness, kurtosis, even the standard error of mean, all those things you will get. Now I click the continue. After that, okay. This is clear.
So the
Close
output
to,
data is not visible. The output window is not visible. Kindly share
okay,
it
okay.
once.
Now it is clear, okay? So 30 data are there. Mean is 4.13. And the median is 4. Okay. That means mean and median is very close to each other. Okay.
Okay.
But
And
whereas you told that median will be the middle of the value, no, sir?
yeah. So this is the data. So whatever the data are there, okay, based upon that, this is the median, it is calculated. This 30 data,
So how
then
come the data is 30? I didn't understand. How come it is 30? I mean, it was 5,
because
no?
we have 30 data. Maybe you have different data. We
So 30
No, for
people
the
have filled the questionnaire, sir.
self-awakening. For self-awakening, it was 5, right? I mean,
No,
I'm a little confused over here.
self-awakening
Five
is,
is the point, sir. 5 is the point.
this is the
30
30
means 30
observation.
people have filled
Okay.
observations.
Okay, 30 people. Yeah, this is
Uh-huh.
our collection.
Okay.
Okay. Now you can find out this mean and median. They are very close to each other. It is 4.13 and this is median is 4. Okay. Since it is very close to each other, you do not find high skewness. It indicates negative skewness. Okay. But it is not very high. This is the standard error of skewness. That is 0.427. This is the kurtosis, this is the standard error of kurtosis. So all the data you will get. Now, if you want to know that is why median is 4, then we can do this thing, analyze reports, then case summary, you can take this particular data, this. After that, you can click the statistics. You can take the minimum. You can take maximum. And this is the median. This is the mean. Then you click continue. Then you click OK. So this is the distribution. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the distribution.
Sir.
Yes, and go to the 15. Yeah, and the maximum time you will get the 5 is there. 5 is the mode. Okay. And 4 is your median.
If we can arrange it according, the way you have shown the arrangement, no, if in
Yes.
ascending or descending order, then we
Ah.
can find the median.
Yeah,
Okay.
that is the thing. There is a standard procedure. You can follow that one. This is the case summary. Now here you can find out minimum is 2 and maximum is 5. Median is 4 and the mean is 4.13. So that is possible. That means your data are almost similar to the normal distribution. Now you can check it by using descriptive statistics. That is one chart. And if you click it, histogram, show normal curve. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after that, you click it continue. Then okay. Now you will get the histogram. So what you have received, that is, it is negatively skewed. Distribution is negatively skewed. That means they have given much importance on this particular item. And this is the median. And here you can find out 4. Okay. So this is your distribution. So actually, in the ideal condition, it will be 3. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 will be the ideal. But it is the 4. That means more number of people are giving value on this particular statement. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So the distribution is skewed in nature. Whether this skewness is clear to you or any question? Is skewness clear?
Yes, sir.
More number of data are at the right side. Okay. Therefore, it is called the skewed distribution. Now,
This is also Likert scale, na, sir?
yeah, this is a Likert scale. 1 to 5. And here you can find out that is 11 is 36.7% and 12 is 40%. That means majority people, they are thinking that this particular item is important for them. And that possibility is higher because all the items are measuring the positive human values. These Rabindric human values, Rabindranath Tagore, he contributed universal value system that I have explored from Rabindra Sangit. Okay. He gave priority on the universalism. Therefore, there is a high chance that is majority is at this particular level. Now, suppose I want to do another analysis. Charts. Instead of histogram, I have written pi. continue. Then okay. So this is the pie chart. So this data visualization is very important for descriptive statistics. So here I have treated all the rating with respect to the non-metric data. Okay. That is the categorical data. Because I am not adding anything. So now here you can find out there is no one rating. Rating starts from 2. And this is the frequency distribution. And if you want to know the another graph, the frequencies, again the chart, that is a percentage, pie chart of percentage. I am writing yes. Now continue. After that, okay. You will get same thing, but with respect to the percentage. Now, if you want to click this one, you can get the text box. So if you want to write anything, you can write down here. So that is the text box.
Sir, where is the text box? I didn't get it.
Text box not clear? Okay.
So I think, is it the another screen you are sharing?
This is clear. So if I click it, now if you want to modify this one, you can modify. Now it is clear, text box? No. Okay, again, I'm saying.
Sir, where is the text box, sir? Only self-awaken is visible and the color is visible, sir.
Oh, okay. Why it is not coming? Now it is coming.
Yes, sir.
So you will get the text box.
How, sir? How we will be getting it?
You have to click, double click. And then you will get the options. Okay. And after that, you can click the options. There is a text box, footnote, everything is there. Title, if you want to change the title, you can click it here. Here it is data level mode. It is show data level. So if you click it, show data level, then you will get the percentage. This is clear now?
Yes, sir.
So now you can share the percentage by clicking the data label. That is the elements. So that is the pie chart. Pie chart you have seen. You have seen also the histogram. And now I am presenting you another chart. That is the frequencies. The chart you have to click, then bar chart. It is percentage. Continue. Then okay. So now it is bar chart. Is bar chart visible? No, not that.
No, sir.
So this is the bar chart. Again, if you double click on the chart.
So it is still
then,
not visible.
Oh, okay. Because many things are there now. Tell, say. Then bar chart. Stop share. Share screen. This is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have to click the analyze. After that, click the frequencies. Next, you have to select the particular item. Okay. And after that, you can click the chart. Next, there will be the three options. I have already shown you histogram with normal distribution, pie chart, and a bar chart. Now I am presenting you the bar chart. Then clicking OK. This is the bar chart. Is it visible?
Yes.
After that, you can double click. Then you click the options, elements, show data labels. So Jay, when you click the data label, then automatically data label is coming.
This we can't see, sir.
Data label not.
No, sir.
So this is the data label. And if you want to change the data label position, then you can click it here. Custom. If you click it above the center, if you click it here, rather than manual, custom. Then apply. Okay. So it becomes uppermost. This is clear. So you can change the label position. If you click this one, then it will be at the middle. If you click this one, then it will be at the below. So you can change the label position.
Sir, can you repeat how did you get here? So you clicked options and then?
Yeah, you have to click the elements.
Okay.
And there is data label. So if it is hide data label, then there will be no label. And if you click it, show data label, then data label will come. And if you want to click the interpolation line, then you can get the interpolation line. It depends upon your need. This is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir. Sir, can I just ask what is the purpose of this interpolation line?
Sometimes in some journal, authors are requested to show the interpolation line, particularly to indicate the variation, this variability.
Sir, even in paper presentation, no, sir, they ask this one, sir.
Yeah.
Number of times they asked, sir.
That is there. Okay. Now I am showing you another thing. Suppose you want to know Again, I am clicking analyze,
Sir, your
descriptive statistics.
screen is not visible, sir.
Okay. You can get the quartile. Okay. You will get the quartile. Quartile is the indicator of variability. You get minimum, maximum, range, then continue. After that, you clicking OK. So now you can find out the median is 4. Okay. And the 50th position, that is also 4. So this is the second quartile. And this is the first quartile, 3.75. And this is the third quartile. Is it clear? Now, suppose you want to find out who are the people whose score is less than 4. Suppose you want to find out. And how many people are less than 4? That is clear from here. That is 23.3%. Okay. 3.3 is, that means only one individual assigns 2. And 8 people, they assign 3. So total is 23.3%. Now, if you want to find out these people, then how do you get it? Can anybody tell me? Who are the people who are poor in self-awakening related, the first item? Can anybody tell me? In the last class, I have taught. Then I can click data, then select caches, then is it visible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Then if self-awakening is less than 4, then continue. After that, okay. Next, I am clicking analyze reports, case summary. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes.
So this is the people, their score is less than 4. That is less than the median. Sometimes you will find in psychological research, you are supposed to make some comparison between the high group and the low group. In that condition, you can follow this thing. Okay. That is the people who are below the second quartile and who are the above quartile. After that, you can make the comparison. And if you find this comparison is significant, that means individual difference is high. So for example, here I am doing independent sample t-test. I am taking this particular variable. Now the grouping variable. Achha, sorry, not the grouping variable. Grouping variable is not possible. Then I have to make it transform. Then decode into different variables. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So decode into different variables. So this is the variable. Now old and new values. So I can take four is the median. So I am taking 4. Less than 4, they are getting 1. And more than 4, the value is 2. Add. Okay. Then continue. Next, I am writing the name. Is a new one. Low equal to, now you can write down cutoff equal to 4. Then I am clicking change. After that, I click OK. Now next, I am clicking analyze. Then compared means. independent sample t-test. After that, I take this particular value as the measurement value, and the cutoff 4 as the grouping value. It is written defined groups. That is the low of group 1, and this is group 2. Or you can click the group 1 and group. Then continue. After that, you can click 1. Okay. Acha, since the sample size is very low, then I can do another thing. I can use only the compared means independent sample t-test. Define groups. I can use cutoff point. Cutoff point is 4. Continue. Okay. Only thing I have to change this one. Select caches. It should be the all caches. So be aware of this, whether it is still there or not. Then compare means, then independent sample t-test. Then you are writing, okay. What happened? Okay, the sample size is very low. Therefore, it cannot do this analysis. If its sample size very high, then possibly we can do. There is another thing, that is the explore. Self-awakening, that is dependent variable. And this is the cutoff point. That is your factor list. After that, you can do the statistics. Yeah, descriptive statistics you can do. You can make the plot also. Or it is both is better. Then okay. So now you can get it. There's 18 data. They are 1 and 12 data is 2. Okay. Hello. Whether this is visible?
Yes, sir.
So now you can find out the first group. Their mean, median, variance, range, etc. All the things that you will get. Similarly, for the next group, again you can get this one. Okay. And here you can find out the median is 5. Because they are above, because it is a 4. 4 is the cutoff point. Since 4 is the cutoff point, so median is 5. And here median is 4. So you can use this data when you want to categorize the two sets of data. Then you have to click these descriptives and explore. That is another one is the cross tab. Okay, so cross tab, you can write down this one, row. Another one is the column. This is the column. After that, you will find the statistics. You can click the chi-squared statistics. After that, you click continue. Then okay. Now you will get this distribution. Okay, that is the lower group. 18 cases are there. And upper group, 12 cases are there. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
And the chi-square is significant. The DF value is 3. Row minus 1 and column minus 1. So row minus 1 means 1 and column minus 1 means how many columns are there? Sorry, column is 2. Row means 5. Therefore, the DF value is 3. And the chi-square value is 30. And it is significant. So you can assess the individual difference of your items, whether your items are significant or not. So when you want to do any rating scale analysis, you have to find out whether individual difference is there or not. So for that reason, you can do this analysis, this cross tabulation. This is clear to all of you or any question? Why do we use the rating scale? Can anybody tell me? Why in the rating scale there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? 5 ratings are there.
So to find out how many people are favor of that particular rate, sir.
Yeah, so to find out the individual differences in rating. Okay. If there is no individual differences in rating, that means we cannot accept that particular item.
So Likert scale is also called as rating scale, sir.
Each item should be different with respect to the individual difference. So now you have the items, and please you find out individual difference of each item. You have 5 items now. So you can make the individual difference of these 5 items. Okay, Dakshi. I think it is clear to you. So this is your task to examine individual difference of items for each item. What is the chi-square value? Stayoshi, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Individual difference is important.
I have to read a little bit, sir, because it's way too much for me to understand. So I have to do some individual reading for everything. But whatever you have explained is clear.
This is clear. Okay. Dina, is it clear? Individual difference issue?
So it's clear. Whatever you have explained is clear, but I have to practice it, sir, and did it more, sir.
That is true. One has to practice. Okay, Raite, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir, but I think I have to practice first as well.
Yeah, you have to practice. Sophie,
Yes, sir.
this is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Individual difference is very, very important.
Sir, you
Okay.
said the 4 types of measurement scale, no, sir? One is ordinal scale. What are the others, sir?
Nominal scale, ordinal scale, interval scale, and the ratio scale.
So all the questionnaires and tools will based on these 4 types only, sir.
Yeah.
Right, sir.
When you deal
Sir,
with chi-square, that
sir,
means you are assuming
sir.
that your scale is categorical scale. That is the ordinal scale. This rating scale is ordinal. That is your assumption. How many 1, how many 2, how many 3, how many 4, how many 5. But when you want to use it as the level, then you cannot think it is categorical. You have to consider it as the interval scale.
Level means, sir?
That means you have to deal with the mean and standard deviation. Okay.
Sir.
So you can show your data,
Sir.
these 5 data, you can show by using your mean and SD, as well as you can show your data with respect to the frequency. And next, you can your data, that is whether the high and low group, is there any significant difference or not, by using the chi-square test.
That if the data sample size is big, then it is possible t-test.
Yes, if your sample size is high, that would be always better. Here sample size is 30, it is less, because you have seen that is some cells have 0 data. So if you have more number of data, then you can handle better statistical tools. then
Sir,
there
one
will
more
be
question. Sir,
there will be no zero in your any cell.
Example, that time the data is converted to interval or ratio scale.
Not the ratio. We are dealing with only the interval scale.
Sir, one more question, sir, not related to this one. When you spoke about this one, size, no, sir, size of data, there is a
Yeah.
tool, sir, 32 items, 7 points, sir. And there will be 3 categories. That is three type of population, sir. So I was considering 32 into 7. It means that I wanted to collect participants of 224, sir, among 3 categories. Will it be sufficient, sir? Or it is too much?
I cannot understand. How many categories are there?
Sir, there are 32 items, sir, 32 questions, 7 points, sir.
32 questions,
7
7 point
points.
scale.
Yes, sir. So I will
Then
be taking the sample of 3 categories, that is officers, JSOs, and other ranks. 3 categories, sir. So
how many?
altogether,
How many? How
so
many?
altogether, I will be collecting 60 like that, sir. 180 like that.
Yeah, that is okay.
So still, however, I heard that 32 into 7, that is 224. 224 minimum sample should be there, sir. Is this right or wrong, sir?
No. This is not correct. Your sample size, that will be 200.
Sir.
Sample means the respondent, number of observations.
Yes, sir.
So if your observations it's 200, then at least you can fit the model.
Okay,
Based
sir.
upon the rating scale.
Mm-hmm. Right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Ankit, is it clear?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay. I will give some question in the Google Classroom.